Bro, we just found some birds. Are they alive?
So cute. Yes.
Yeah, they're breathing.
You're hungry.
I don't know.
God. See, look.
I'm right here. I'm looking for some worms. Can you help me?
Go look for some worms.
They're so cute, though.
They sleep so cute. Stop touching it. Well, I want it to wake up. Yeah, what if they can fly?
They can't. They're too little.
They're like...
Jada, come here.
Jada, come here.
here.
We found baby birds in a
And they're
nest.
alive.
They're sleeping.
Bitch, they found baby birds. Y'all better put that shit back where y'all got it from.
Why?
Because the mama gonna come find
Is
it.
they
and kill
dead?
y'all. No, they
No.
breathing.
Gave you rabies.
These things are breathing.
Is it 2 or 3 of them?
There's
two.
They're breathing. Look, they sleep.
They were stuck halfway out of a house.
So how did y'all get that? I grabbed it.
We found
With
it.
your hands?
Yeah.
No,
She
she
grabbed
grabbed
it with
these.
this.
How's this thing?
Wake it
like
up.
That, though?
Wake it up.
They sleeping?
Don't do that.
Wake them up.
I want to touch it, but I
Hey,
let me see your
get
phone.
up.
No, I just want to poke its back. Oh hell no, y'all don't get diseases. Don't ever touch it.
Yeah, don't.
Don't touch it.
Jermaine, take a picture of it.
Go lay down.
Jay, let me see your hand sanitizer.
All right, let's go look for some.
Joshua, go get me a stick.
I can't believe I found this, though.
We found it. Look for some worms. Has to be some worms over here.
Y'all go sit down.
There has to be worms over here.
Answer Johnny said.
Has to be at least one. Oh no. Oh yeah, leave comments below if you like birds. Or like if you're like an adventure person. Oh. I'm only doing this for whoa, freaking bird. Are you? Why are you
Found it.
using a
Found
phone?
it. Found it.
Where
Where did it go?
I see it. I see it.
Where's it? Okay, come on.
Johnny's so.
Let me see
You need
it.
2 of them. There's one right there.
You have to open their mouth.
Hold on. My freaking phone got stirred.
I'll hold them.
No, put it down.
We're trying to feed them so that
They don't die.
someone open their mouth.
Don't open their mouth, they'll choke.
Are they alive?
Yeah.
They breathing.
I know they're sleeping.
I'm breathing.
Show mommy.
Someone
Put
Jefferson.
the one right there.
get the fork. Get the fork. No, not right there.
Why?
Because
The worm will get out everywhere.
it'll crawl all over them.
Yeah.
And you'll give them rabies.
What if a bird came and snatched it? Snatched the worms.
I don't know what to do. There's 2 baby birds.
They're
The
alive.
nest fell. They're
The nest
alive.
fell.
The
Move.
nest fell.
We're
And they're
feeding
still
them
alive.
worms.
They're breathing.
They're alive.
Yeah, they're breathing.
They're asleep. Like they were
I don't know what to
halfway.
do with them.
Where y'all found them at?
They were
fell.
in a
abandoned house.
Take them to like a bear or something.
They
See what's
fell.
wrong.
Ain't nothing wrong with them. They breathing.
Yeah, they're asleep.
Oh my god.
We got 2 worms to feed them.
Because like they're used to, they're little.
You gotta chew that shit up. You gonna chew it up?
No, I think they're big enough because they have feathers and stuff. I think they're big enough to where you could like put them down in their mouth and let them chew them. Oh, babe.
Send them,
What are you
all you gotta do is send them right there in that little thing right there.
No, because if we do them dogs across the street, we'll probably get them.
Could you put them right there
Or put them
behind
on
the
top of
camera?
that.
Or put it like somewhere?
No, because they're spiders.
You gotta be able so the mama can find them.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah,
No, like they were down, like they were like halfway and halfway out of a window.
Y'all need to go put it back where y'all found it, but put it straight back up where it was so the mama could find them.
The mama ain't gonna take care of them now.
Yeah, because,
Y'all
What's
touched
up,
all
man?
over it.
yeah, they would kill it.
So y'all ready or what?
Yeah. Peace.
Hey, Daddy.
Oh,
Johnny said you're coming to the birthday party tomorrow.
What birthday party?
Michaela's and Micaiah.
And Christiana's. Micaiah's.
Somebody get me a stick so I can show mommy its little legs. No. Its little legs are so cute.
Let's try to wake it up.
Look at the boobs. Stop!
I'm trying to pet it.
I want to touch it.
Johnny said, get the fork and open its mouth like you did.
Jamal, shut the door before Bo gets out.
Put it back,
No, snatch him up.
Johnny said.
It looks like they're stuck.
Don't take my phone.
Alright, let me make.
Oh, don't put your mouth close to them like that.
You're like,
You get sick. Your breath, like sick, deadly sick. Is it worms?
Yeah.
Why?
Because.
Are you gonna feed it to them?
Yeah.
That's nasty.
your breath. They're like.
Hey, Daddy!
What if they said we can keep them and me and Jessica got to have them as pets?
Daddy wouldn't let me have one. Because just this is little, okay? Stop, Mari, they won't take it. You have to open up their mouth.